Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So 2 days ago I went to the pharmacy to pick up makeup. At this time I was going to get my face done and found that I was out of the base that I use on my skin. So I have no choice but to just put some clothes on, run right out, no makeup on, and run into the pharmacy. So while I was there browsing around trying to find the makeup that is suitable for my skin tone, so there came this lady and she was there browsing around also. Then she turned to me and she was like, "What base are you using on your skin?" I'm like, "Oh, I'm actually just looking for the base." She said, "No, the one you are wearing today. What base is that?" I'm like, "I'm not wearing base today." And she was like, "What? You're not wearing base today?" I'm like, "No, this is my skin." So she came a little closer and she was like looking at my skin. I was a little standoffish, to be honest, because COVID time, even though we both were wearing a mask. And she was like, "Oh my goodness, I thought you were wearing makeup. Your skin is amazing." So I was like, I use a lot of natural stuff on my skin. So she wanted to know exactly what I was using on my skin. I have no choice but to introduce her to my channel, of course. And then I actually show her the makeup that I use on my skin. So I'm saying that to say my remedies are working for sure. What I'm going to do for you today, I am going to share a skin brightening, skin tightening, skin firming remedy. This is just using two simple ingredients. I'm using potato and I'm using lemon. Both are rich in enzyme that can reduce wrinkles and fine lines and clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. Both, when mixed together with a few other ingredients, will help your skin to look younger and fresher and give you that natural glow you want when you go out there. When people look at you, look at your skin, when you're not wearing makeup, they are all blown away, wishing that their skin could look amazing as yours. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm gonna whip it up really quick. And guess what, guys, before I get in the kitchen, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're gonna see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side there's a little bell icon. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Now that it's out of the way, let's get in the kitchen. Our first ingredient is potato, and potato will have to clear pigmentation on the skin. It will have to brighten the skin. It also has skin tightening properties. All you need from the potato is the potato starch. This is going to help to lift, tighten, and firm the skin naturally. So I'm going to use a half of a medium potato. And what I'm going to do with this potato, I am actually going to be blending this to a creamy consistency. So I'm going to remove the peel of the potato. Now, when you have your potato and you're using it on the skin topically, it is best to chill the potato. When the potato is chilled, it activates an enzyme known as catecholase. Also, when you have your potato and you're peeling it and you notice this green part on the potato, that's chlorophyll right there, and chlorophyll actually help your skin to look younger for longer. Therefore, if you find that your potato is a little green, it's actually the better potato to use on the skin. So I'm going to chop my potato in small pieces for easier blending. You can also choose to grate the potato if you do not have a small blender. Now once this is done, I'm going to add the potato to the blender. And then I'm going to reach for my lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C help to hydrate and nourish the skin. The lemon peel contains more vitamin C than the lemon juice itself. Therefore, today I'm only going to be using the lemon peel. You can choose to grate it or you can choose to zest it to make your lemon zest. But I'm just going to add this to the blender along with our potato. And next I'm going to add a little bit of aloe vera gel to this. I'm using the store-bought today. You can go ahead and you can use the fresh aloe vera gel in this. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. I'm not adding any liquid to this. And blend. after blending our potato and our lemon, we're going to reach for some rose water, and we're going to pour about a tablespoon of rose water in the mixture. Next, I'm going to reach for some milk powder, powdered milk, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the powdered milk. If you have regular milk, you can use it instead of the water. If not, go ahead and use your powdered milk. And now I'm going to cover and I'm going to blend. Now after blending, let's pour this out. Make sure to get everything out. And take a look, guys. This is it. And this is what you're going to use on your skin as a facial mask. You can also use this as a facial scrub. So what you're going to do, let me do a quick demonstration on my hands, guys. You're going to take the mask and you're going to first exfoliate your skin with it like I'm showing here. You exfoliate for about a minute or so, and then you're going to reach back in for some more, and you're just going to put it all over your face like this. You're going to leave it on for at least 30 minutes. Let it dry on the skin, and you're going to feel that tightening sensation on the skin. After 30 minutes, go ahead and rinse off with cold water. You can choose to use this 7 days straight, and at the end of 7 days, you're on your way to bright, clear, tight, firm looking skin. If you're using this for 7 days straight, use it for 3 days as a facial mask and use it for 4 days as a facial scrub. Store this in your refrigerator and use it up within the 7 days. And there you have it, guys, as easy as it gets. Now whip it up, use it up. Remember, if you do not have the milk powder, go ahead and use some regular milk, use some soy milk. You can even use some protein powder, or you can even choose to use some salt powder in this recipe. Whatever you do, guys, give this one a try, especially if you have pigmentation on the skin, especially if you're looking to reduce the wrinkles, and especially if you're looking for clear, bright, spotless, glowing skin. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.